I'm about to show you guys how to smell like that girl. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm literally gonna show you guys how to smell like that girl. I'm gonna give you all the products that you need to smell like that girl, to smell like you are a walking snack. Okay, so let's get started. I know a lot of us don't think that this is necessary, but you need some soap because some of y'all smell, and I'm tired of smelling you. Okay, you need some soap. I love this Dove bar soap. It's the original one, but like you can do the sensitive skin one, you can do like the pink bar, whichever one gets you clean. Okay, I like the original because yeah, you don't have to do what I do. Do the sensitive skin one if you don't like this one. I'm not too sure about the pink bar. I've used the pink bar, I ain't seen no difference. But if you think, use this one or the sensitive skin one first. Okay, just take a picture, take a screenshot. Did you screenshot it? Okay, on to the next product. So y'all, this is the next product. You might be wondering why she looks a little beat, like right here. She looks like she got punched in her face. Well, it's because it's empty. So what I had to say for the video. This is my Pride and Joy. This is more like for scent for real, and then just like a extra, you know, little scrub-a-dub-dub lather up. But and it doesn't have to be Dove, by the way. It don't. Cause I got this other body wash that I had just recently posted. Hold on, I'm gonna show y'all. This girl right here, got her from Burlington for $4. $4 and some change. Can y'all see that? Hold on. $4 and some change. It has to be that extra second layer. Okay, on to the next product. Also, if you want you some scent, you can use this one. Okay, it don't matter, but do not use this and think that you're gonna get what you can get with this. This is for clean. This and this extra clean. This, you want to smell good. Okay, do we have that figured out? Okay, all right, don't just use this and think that you're gonna smell good, because your pH is gonna be thrown off and you're gonna smell nasty. So this for scent, these second clean, these first clean. All right, let's go to the next thing. I know y'all seen everybody, their mama, their daddy, their sister, their brother talk about this EOS lotion, and I'm here to tell you that it's worth the hype. I already have a second bottle waiting for me. This bottle's trying to act like it's done, and it's really not, y'all. I'm about to cut her open and scoop it out. But this bottle, if I had to choose one more lotion that I would use for the rest of my life, it's her. Because I love this. I love this with my whole entire heart. Y'all wasn't going to tell me that my necklaces was messed up? That they was all leaning like they was off they good. Y'all are so fake. After that, you want to get you some oil. Well, I don't know if y'all just saw that, but oil just flew. Anyway, I don't know if you're supposed to use this before or after your lotion. I mix them together. Shoot, we getting a 2-for-1. This is from Pretty Girl Beauty. Oh my god, oil is flying everywhere, y'all. They changed their top though. They don't have this top anymore. They have like one of those, I don't even have a bottle that has that kind of top, but yeah, so use these together. That's what I do. I don't know if that's right, but it stays on my skin, so that's all that matters. But they have a different top than this. It's like that pushy top, not like, it's like a that kind of top. I don't know how to explain it, but this is the scent Lemon Cake, and it literally smells like a lemon cake. Like, I had put a wax, like, cube into my wax warmer. Yo, why do they smell the same? It's like she just scooped up the wax and put the scent in here and just oil. But I also have another one from her. Hold on, I'll show y'all. This is the Vanilla Bean Dream. Don't mind it, she's a little dirty, okay? Don't mind it. Okay. All right. Now that we've established that. After that, well, I don't really know if this is supposed to be after either. I'm not really trying to show y'all in like a step-by-step, like a play-by-play, because that's not really how I roll. But Vaseline, put it all over. Okay. Well, actually, yeah, do this after that. In like Aquaphor, if you're gonna do that, like do that after too. But I use Vaseline. I put it everywhere. Especially the places where you're gonna put perfume, which we're gonna get there in a minute. You also want some of this. I kind of forgot to tell y'all, but y'all want some of this, okay? This one's the dragon fruit tree hut, but you can use any tree hut. I have a vanilla one around here somewhere too. It don't matter which one you use, for real, for real. As long as you're using something to exfoliate, but don't use it every single day, okay? Okay? Don't use it every single day, because then you're gonna sit there and you're gonna look dumb and you're gonna look stupid, because you're not supposed to exfoliate every single day. Like, you have to give your skin time to build back up before you knock it all down, you know? But Tree Hut, my pride and my joy. Dove also has body scrubs, but they're not Tree Hut, okay? I mean, they're still good, don't get me wrong. They are good. But they are very coarse, I've learned. If you don't want a very coarse body scrub, Tree Hut, because it's not too coarse. I think the Dove one might have like different intensities and like coarsenesses to it, but Tree Hut's like a good, I'm not gonna show y'all because I'm not gonna dip my fingers into my brand new Tree Hut, but just know it's not that bad. Like, it's not that coarse. It's pretty fine, and then like it doesn't really hurt you, it doesn't really irritate you. But if you have sensitive skin, I don't know, I have sensitive skin and I use everything and I really don't care. But if you have sensitive skin, it might be best if you use something that is a less fragrant. This one's very fragrant. So yeah, let's go to the next product. Y'all know this is my holy grail, my pride, my joy, my everything, okay? This Victoria's Secret Bare Vanilla changed the game, okay? She does smell like a little, if you smell Viva Vanilla, she's her younger sister, okay? Like, she's not grown. She's not childish either. She's her teen. She's in her 20s. She's still learning, okay? So don't get this and think that you're gonna get some kind of Kayali vanilla. Don't think of Dior. Think of Bath and Body Works, because that's it's kind of similar. But I love her. Take a screenshot of the bottle, y'all, because you're gonna need it. Love this. But yeah, y'all, that is it for today's video. I hope y'all enjoyed it. Also, I'm recording on my back camera, so I'm still kind of learning how to like navigate recording on my back camera. So I hope it looks good. If it don't, mind your business, because I'm gonna get better, okay? But all right, I love y'all, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.